Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohit Agarwal here, and I hope my lovely CMA students are doing absolutely fine. And yes, I know they are restless, but some of the mischievous elements have done the very wrong mischief, and because of which the CMA Institute has come out rather with the notification and is going all guns blazing to find out the culprit who is spreading the fake news about the CMA results. And in fact, some fake notification was doing the rounds yesterday only, and I had confirmed with the council members also, including Papan sir, and he said that it is absolutely fake. And whosoever contacted me, I had replied those students that it's a fake notification, do not believe it. But this circular is absolutely correct, dated 16th March. Now see what a fake circular, what a wrong notification, fake notification which was posted by the unscrupulous persons can do. CMA Institute has lodged an FIR. CMA Institute has lodged an FIR in city of Kolkata, the city where I reside. Why? Because I hope you know that head office of the CMA Institute is located in Kolkata itself. CMA Bhavan is located in Kolkata, right? So this is a circular. It has come to the notice of the institute that some CMA groups have been circulating fake notification regarding declaration of result of inter and final for December 20 in social media to create a wrong impression about the institute in the minds of the students, members and public at large. Complaint has been lodged in the Cyber Police Station, Lal Bazar, with a copy to the New Market Police Station, because under that jurisdiction only the CMA Bhavan comes, against the miscreants to initiate strict penal action against such criminal activity, which means IPC will be attracted if found, which is done with a motive to destabilize and degrade the dignity and integrity of the institute. Cyber law and other applicable criminal law will take its own course in dealing with the miscreants, and necessary action shall be taken in accordance with the law. Through this message, an appeal is made to the students, members and public to refrain from paying any attention to this false and fake propaganda by some conspirators who are acting with a malefied intention. कोई भी notification if regarding any publication or results shall be uploaded to the official website of the institute. So whoever spread this announcement and the fake notification which was going the rounds, and yes, it does create anxiety amongst all the students. Even it created anxiety inside me also, and I had all the contacts to make, I had all the resources to reach out, but the poor students might not be having so much of resources to reach out, and it is very bad to play with the emotions like this. So those who have done this, they should not do it at all, at any cost, right? So this is a strict circular which has warned clearly. So I do hope that none of our students are instigating any fake propaganda or participating in any fake propaganda. Just stay tuned to the official website of the institute, and whatever announcement I make on my channel, the source of it is the official website of the institute itself. So you can stay tuned to my channel also. Okay, so this was a quick update. Thank you and bye bye, and let's pray and hope that the results are out very soon. Bye.